We're going to need a computer for this. We can't do it on our phones unless you know of some newfangled way. So I'm going to take you step by step through the instructions of how to add an image to your discussion post. In order to post an image somewhere, I need to have it saved in my account, which is right here. I'm going to go to Files. Here I am in Files. I'm going to go to Upload, and I'm going to upload my picture. And there it is. Here I am in the discussion board pages, which I found by clicking Discussions in the left navigation bar. And I'm going to add my picture to the open forum and let the whole class see me and say hello. So I simply click on Embed Image. This is from Canvas. It's going to be from my files. I made little folders for mine. You can do that in your account too and have some fun. Okay, there's that picture. And I'm going to upload that. Scroll down a little bit, and when I click Update, it's going to add that image to my post. So there's the image in my post, and I just clicked on it. You saw that. It gives me the little toggles, and I can make it smaller so I don't frighten anyone. And then I just center that, and there's my picture. Let's say I want to put in a video. I go to YouTube, I find a tutorial or something that I want to share, and I click Share. I click Embed. I copy this code over here. See me doing that? Go back to my post. Here we are in my post. And what I'm going to do is I have that embed code, right? So I'm going to click HTML editor. And I know that it goes below that picture. I'm going to add that. And I look at to see how it looks by going back here. It's way too big, so I need to make it smaller.
2018 Heisman.
So to do that, to make it smaller, I go back in here to the editor, and I just change this and cut it in half, these two numbers. And that makes it a little bit better. Not quite so big. And then I click down there, and I can center this. Now, let's say I get excited and I want to include a little video of me talking about and bragging about Oklahoma University or whatever. Okay, here's what I do. I go back up here, and this time I click on Insert Media, and I had a recording that I'd made before. I can add that here, or add it here, or add it here. Or I can go over here to this Fun button, and I can record and upload media this way by clicking on this button and recording myself or uploading media that way also. So these are options that you have for ways of inserting content into your post. When you've completed everything the way you want it, then you simply post reply. If you want to take something out, you can delete it. You can delete it by deleting it from here, or you can go back to the HTML editor and you can delete it there. Go back to the content editor and it's gone. If I think, well, that's just too small, that's silly, I can make it a little bit bigger. Right? There you go. All right, that concludes this tutorial.